On the night of February 2nd, 1829, York Minster slept beneath the winter sky, silent, grand, timeless. But somewhere inside its vast Gothic frame, footsteps echoed. They belonged to Jonathan Martin, a man haunted by visions, a religious zealot convinced the church was corrupt. He'd come to cleanse it with fire. In the still hours before dawn, Martin crept into the building. He scattered combustibles, struck a flame, and left. Minutes later, the heart of York was ablaze. Flames roared through the wooden choir stalls. Heat cracked stone. Stained glass exploded in showers of molten colour. By morning, the Minster's interior was a blackened ruin. The city was stunned. Martin was caught within days, wandering the countryside, unrepentant. He was declared insane and spent the rest of his life in an asylum. But the Minster endured, rebuilt, restored, as it had been after centuries of siege, weather and war. York Minster still stands today. But in the stone and glass, you can still feel the night when holy ground burned.